In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and make a purchase through Nike.com. Nike.com is your go-to destination for exploring the latest in athletic fashion and footwear directly from one of the world's leading sports brands. Whether you're a seasoned shopper or new to the site, this guide will ensure a smooth and efficient shopping experience. First, you'll want to start by opening your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you're comfortable using. Once your browser is open, type Nike.com into the address bar. This will take you directly to the homepage of Nike's official website. Here, you'll be greeted with visually engaging displays of their latest collections and offers. It's worth taking a moment to explore the homepage as Nike often highlights new releases or special promotions that might catch your interest. As you browse through the site, add any items you wish to purchase to your shopping cart. On the top right corner of the page, you'll see the cart icon. Clicking on it will allow you to review the items you've selected. If you decide to make changes at this point, you can easily remove or adjust the quantity of items in your cart. Review your selections carefully to ensure you have the correct sizes and colors. From here, if you're satisfied with your choices, you'll proceed by clicking the checkout button. If you haven't already, Nike will prompt you to either sign into your account or continue as a guest. Signing in can be beneficial if you're a returning customer, as it can speed up the checkout process by autofilling your shipping and billing information. For those who don't have an account or wish to continue as a guest, you'll need to manually enter your details. Take your time to correctly input your shipping address to ensure no delivery mishaps later on. Next, you'll be directed to the payment section. Nike accepts various payment options, including major credit cards, PayPal, Apple Pay, and more. So choose the method that suits you best. After entering your payment info, double-check everything one more time before finalizing your order. Confirm that the totals align with what you expect, and verify that your billing information is accurate to avoid any processing issues. Once everything is set, hit the place order button. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after, detailing your purchase and expected delivery date. Keep this email safe in case you need to reference it later for tracking or if any issues arise. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough of making a purchase on Nike.com. This site is designed with user experience in mind, and by following these steps, you should find it straightforward to navigate. Enjoy your new Nike.